Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is my presentation, Software Engineering. My name is Mohammad Arif Tunyo, 2K17 LC50. Topics: Software Engineering. Software engineering applications, difference between CSA and SWE. Software is a set of instructions. Software is a set of instruction data or program used to operate computers and execute sufficient task. Examples of applications include Office switches, database programs, web browser, word process, software development tools, image editors, and communications platforms. Software engineering. Software engineering is the process of analyzing users' needs and describe constructions and testing in the users' applications that will safety these needs thoughts the use of software programming. Means software programming languages, and it is the applications of engineering principles. It is the applications of software engineering principles to software development. Means software development and software process and software principles. Next slide. CMM, capability of maturity model. The capability maturity model CMM is the process used to develop. The capability maturity model CMM is a process used to develop and refine an organization. Means organization software's development process. CMM was development and is the Software Engineering Institute SE is in the development center promoted by the US Department of Defense DoD. Software engineering applications. Software engineering applications are new ideas. Means new ideas create devices or process. Emulations are the applications and work, and because this is work software engineering to the betterment solutions that meet new requirements in architecture needs or extend market needs. Means because software engineering requirement any market and universities and colleges and emulations are something original and novels is sufficient new that breaks into the market and societies. Means examples universities, markets and what is the difference between software engineering and computer science? What is the difference between software engineering and computer science? Computer science is the study of computations and informations. Computer science is the study of computations and informations. Means knowledge and create study. Computer science deals with theory. Means computer science is the theory of computations, algorithms, communication problems, arrays, and designs of computer systems and design computer systems. Hardwares, examples hardwares, softwares, and applications. Create problems and designs. Means computer create designs, hardwares, softwares, and applications. Software engineering is the systematic application of engineering. Software engineering is the systematic applications of engineering approaches to the development of software. Because software engineer is the use to development in the society, in the country, in the etc. Software engineer is a computing discipline. Means software engineering is a computing disciplines. Software CDLC, software product update requirements, system analysis, system design, code design, testing, development, minute size. Means software engineer means update and requirements. Any requirements, analysis and design, system design, software designs, and code designs, means testing and enough SDLC. in systems engineer information systems, in system engineer information systems, in system engineer information system, and software engineer means software engineer is the system development life cycle. Means software life cycle also referred to as the application. Means any applications in software engineering, because development life cycle is a process of planning. Means software engineer any planning, creating, testing, and developing an information system. Means applications development and planning, creating, testing, and development in an information system. 5 options in slides: analysis, design, planning, mainframe, and planning. The planning phase is where the internal magic happens. The planning phase is where the internal magic happens. During this phase, planners haze out the goals the company. Means the goals company is trying to approach the through SDLC. Determine how large the company is. Accomplished through SDLC. Determine how large the company is. Issues may or may not. And determine the process time. Means software engineering timing and the cost, overall benefits, etc. That will go into the process. Next slide. System analysis. System analysis gathering requirement. Means software engineering gathering requirement. Static analysis, CASE, computer ideas system. Means software engineering computer ideas system, software engineering. Static analysis in the computer analysis, software engineering. Next slide. Number 3, development. In the development phase, a database. Means in the development phase, a database developer. Means in the development phase, a database, a developer, network engineers, means software engineer. Or program. Software engineering and program will begin the actual work on the project. Means software engineer actually run the project using flows to keep the process organization accuracy. Network programming will now begin actual work on the project software engineer using to keep the process organization on in this country. Number 4, implementation. The implementation phase is where developers means the implementation phase is where developers means software developer produce the code produce the code, created new ideas in software engineer in this needed for the program means any programming in software engineer created the new ideas as well as the system installations means as the system installations. The implementation phase is where developers means software engineer developers produce the code, create new code needs for the program, create the program need for the code because as well as the system installations. Number 5, operation and maintenance. The operations and maintenance phase is the final and ongoing phase that provides upkeep to the system. The operation and maintenance phase is the final and ongoing the phase that provides upkeep to the system, include any regular updates means software regular updates any project and to weeks that may be needed. Any need additionally is the phase where any fine tuning can be performed by end users. Produce upkeeps to the system means software created new organizations needed updates in performance and users. And next my slide. Thank you.